What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk Waypoint for the TW200. This is going to be an OE replacement upgrade that's going to work better everywhere. Whether you're taking your T-Dub to the street or onto the dirt, this is the upgrade you need. Now, when it comes to tires for the TW200, the stock tires last forever. And so when it comes to replacing your tires on the T-Dub, this is a performance upgrade. That's where the Waypoints come in. These things have been developed over the last several months to give you everything that you need out of an all-around tire and giving you something better everywhere. Let's get into this front tire. Now, with the front tire, this is where you're going to see the biggest performance upgrade. For the OE tire, it gives up way too quick once you get it onto the dirt, whether you're under braking and under cornering, and it's gonna make you lose confidence in the front of your machine. Now, with this Waypoint tire, we've got a stiffer sidewall and a stiffer construction, and so it's gonna be more predictable under that hard braking, as well as you throw this thing into the corners. We've been throwing this into all sorts of scenarios all day, and I'll tell you, I have had nothing but confidence in the way that this front tire has been reacting. Now, when it comes to specs of this tire, this is where you're gonna see we way overbuilt this for the T-Dub, and so it's going to last super well for you. This thing is rated up to 660 pounds when it comes to the weight rating, and then for speed, up to 93 miles an hour. You're not gonna see 93 miles an hour on one of these bikes unless you're pushing it off a cliff. This thing is ready to go. Now, I already told you the front is where you're gonna see the greatest upgrade in performance, but that does not take away with what we've got here with this rear Waypoint. In fact, this took the most effort and most work from our engineering team to make sure we were bringing a tire that you T-Dub lovers were going to absolutely enjoy. In fact, when you compare this Waypoint to the standard Waypoint that we have for other bikes, you're gonna see this TW tire got a whole nother set of lugs in between each row. And that was to help both give us the profile that we wanted for on-road performance, but also maximize forward bite when you're under power off-road on this tire. This thing grabs like crazy. I've been super pumped everywhere that we've been with this tire so far today. Now, we wanted to keep with the overbuilt is better on this tire, and I'll tell you, this rear is set up for 937 pounds of load and that same 93 miles an hour of top speed. This is a phenomenal tire. Now, I will tell you, when it comes to rear tires for these T-Dubs, that's where you're gonna see the most variance in options. Most aftermarket tires are gonna be between that 18 to 22 pound range, especially when you're looking at one of the most popular ways to go is an ATV tire conversion. That's gonna put you at 22 pounds for the rear tire. Our setup is 18 3/4 pounds, so you're on the lighter end when it comes to aftermarket options. Now, I will tell you the stock tire comes in at about 16 pounds, but the first little bit of feedback that I got on this tire was, wow, this thing feels light, and you will feel that. It's an awesome option. This Tusk Waypoint tire is exactly what you need for your T-Dub. Get yours by going to the link below. As always, we offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.